What's up, cuties? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, then hi, my name is Nidhi, and I make videos related to fashion and beauty. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe. It will take a moment. And if you love watching my videos, then don't forget to hit the like button as well. And today we are talking about something which has been a game changer for me. So that's why I'm here sitting and talking about it. यू नो दैट मोमेंट जब आप ऑल रेडी हो घर से बाहर निकलने के लिए, मे बी यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ पार्टी और डे आउटिंग और अ डेट, एंड यू सॉ अ ग्रे हेयर ऑन योर हेड. Yes, I know that moment, and you realize you don't have time to cover this up like up to 3 hours to go to salon, book an appointment, and then go sit there for hours and then get it fixed. What if I tell you you can do it in just 5 minutes? Unbelievable, right? That's what I used to think before I tried this product. So I'm talking about Thrive Co's coloring shampoo, and it's gonna blow your mind, believe me. And let me show you why it deserves a permanent spot in your bathroom. ट्रस्ट मी, वी ऑल हैव बीन देयर कि आप ऑलरेडी हो घर से निकलने के लिए, मे बी यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ मीटिंग और डेट, एंड यू सी योर सेल्फ इन द मिरर एंड बैम, there is a gray hair. Then comes to mental health. You start getting those questions: do I need to bear the ammonia smell, or do I have time to get it done in 3+ hours, or my scalp can be on fire, like literally on fire, trust me. What about damaged hair? Are you ready to damage them more? I used to dread my hair, and trust me, I have tried everything like booking an appointment to a salon, which cost a fortune, DIY kits, which makes bathroom look like a crime scene literally, and quick fix sprays. Like, I hate them a lot. They transfer everywhere and they are literally so messy. Like, you have to wash your hair next time. आप उसके साथ न सो सकते हो न. But then I discovered Thrive Co coloring shampoo, and trust me, I'm not exaggerating when I'm saying this has revolutionized my hair care routine. And you must be thinking कि why we are exactly talking about this product. So let me tell you कि ये 4 के पैक में आता है, and I have been able to finish three of them. Just one is left. That's why I'm talking about this, and it's so good. It literally has changed my coloring game forever. First, let's talk about what you get inside. So each pack contains 4 sachets of colors with 4 pairs of gloves, which is very convenient if you are traveling anywhere, और जस्ट भी ट्रू कि खो जाते हैं ये ग्लव्स बहुत ही जल्दी, यार मेरे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खोते हैं. तो इट हैज़ 4 ग्लव्स विच आर लाइक अमेजिंग, एंड देन दिस पैक कम्स फॉर 299 rupees only. That means you can have 4 application for just 299 rupees. अगर हम इसको कैलकुलेट करें तो आपका एक एप्लीकेशन 75 रुपीज़ से भी कम का हुआ. एंड टेल मी, आपको अगर ऐसा कोई सलून पता हो जहाँ पे 75 रुपीज़ से भी कम में आपको हेयर कलरिंग मिल जाएगी. बट हियर्स व्हाट मेक्स इट इवन बेटर, द फॉर्मूला. It doesn't have ammonia, it doesn't have paraben, it's cruelty free, and it's dermatologist tested. So that means it's safe to use even if you have sensitive scalp. Now let me show you how easy it is to use. Seriously, if you can wash your hair, then I think you can use this product. First, I'm putting on these gloves that comes with the package. Then opening the sachet, look how convenient this is for travel. You can just carry one sachet and you can just go with the gloves. I think that's really convenient. Now I'm applying it directly to my dry hair, focusing on the roots where I have the most visible grays. I'm doing one side on the camera and the other one I'll do off camera, and then I'll be back. And it's really easy to apply. You can use your hands or maybe a brush. Here I'm using a brush because I want more precision. Otherwise you can go with the bare hand only, and that will be good to go. And after you put on the hair color, you need to massage it for 2 to 3 minutes, like good minutes. And the good thing that it doesn't smell at all bad. It's such a soothing feeling that when you apply this color, trust me. And I have used a lot of colors जिसमें बहुत गंदी smell होती है and you get headache also. So yeah, this is way better. And now we will wait, but not for long, just for 5 minutes. And while we are waiting for those 5 minutes, let me tell you about the magic behind this product. Thriveco has developed this technology called anti-breakage technology powered by something called Hyaplex. ये सिर्फ आपके बालों को कलर ही नहीं कर रहा है. Remember, it's repairing and giving them strength while coloring your hair. That's right, your hair will be healthier after coloring your hair. आपने ऐसे कभी सुना है? Like, this is very rare and I'm so happy that this technique exists. And the time is up. Let's go wash my hair. You can see I just did this hair today and you can see there is no gray, nothing at all. It's all covered. Like, let me come closer so you can see better. Like, see, no grays at all. Like, it's all clean. I love it. And the color is so rich and natural, like no one would ever guess that this took me 5 minutes in my washroom. So let's compare it with a traditional hair dye. It takes 3 plus hour to a traditional dye to color your hair, where it takes only 5 minutes. The traditional hair dye is messy, where it is like hustle free. Traditional hair dyes have strong chemical and smell really bad, where it has no paraben, no ammonia, and smell amazing. Traditional hair dye can damage your hair, where it repairs and strengthen your hair. Traditional hair dye will cost you like 1,000 plus rupees every time you go to salon, and where it takes only 299 rupees, that too for 4 applications. So there you have it. Thrive Co Coloring Shampoo has changed my life entirely. 5 minute application, 100% grey coverage, and it takes only 299 rupees for 4 applications. I have dropped the link in the description for you guys to purchase. They frequently sell out, so if you see it on stock, grab yours right now. So if you have tried this product or you are planning to try this product after watching this video, please comment down below and let me know which shade you got and how it worked for you. And if you found this review helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest review. Until next time, but remember, life is too short for bad hair days, so stay gorgeous and stay you. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.